Welcome to Leadership Reality. My name is Adekole Dosumo, and I want to welcome you to Series 30, 7 Effective Ways to Review the Year 2025. Today will be episode 5. So what is the fifth way to review this year 2025? Build a visual timeline. And that's very important. Go through your calendar, your journal, your photo roll month by month to recall major events, milestones, and moments. I just finished a 3-day, retreat myself to do this. And it's very important. So when I scroll back, I could see that in January was my month of foundation. I set goals and then my intention for 2025. And by mid-year June, I had to do a reset. I revisited the goals and then my priorities. And in October was just, like we say, one of our best months, a restoration season in which a battle of 26 months, I had to win that. And I'm quite grateful. And looking back to this December, of course, I've reflected again, and my mood is that of reflection and gratitude to God, because I'm a person of faith. I'm grateful, I'm wiser, and I know that I'm going to be elevated in 2026. So you can also do that. Build a visual timeline. And that brings me to the end of this episode 5, still series 30, 7 Effective Ways to Review the Year 2025. Please drop comments on any of our social media handles, and I'll come your way with episode 6 next week. Until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you then.